First time ever, probably the first person you encountered was the parking lot ministry and those death-defying servants. The vest they're wearing is not for you to run them over easier. The vest they're wearing is for you to get direction from them. There's one right there.
Deja vu, I've just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new, and the search is on.
They're trying to help you. They know what they're doing. They have meetings. They research this. They do this. But you're greeted by somebody. And listen, we want our parking lot ministry, which is, again, often the first person you see. We don't want them to say, "Park over here! Und park here now!"